To register for an OSCR workshop, go ahead to oscarworkshops.sched.com. Then once you're here, navigate to the schedule and go ahead and choose the workshop you wish to register for. I'm going to go ahead and add this placeholder session to my Sched. Once you're here, it is highly recommended you sign in with your Google account, which will be your cat mail address. You're now registered for an OSCR workshop. You could go ahead and register for another one if you wish to. Thank you. If you have any other questions or concerns, I recommend joining into our OSCR-ONLINE Zoom sessions, where we are more than happy to help. Or go to OSCR-ONLINE's YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.